Let's talk about Detroit 60 Series motor.
There you go.
Let's
You
talk
got
about that
that
rooster.
right.
Rooster.
YouTube, we in the shop with it. Another breakdown. Good thing it ain't nothing but a brake chamber. Hold on. Yes, sir. Getting that thing replaced. Got it right in. There it is. Here at the shop. Found me a shop nearby. I needed a brake chamber. I'm thinking I just need a bolt. The whole stud is gone. Completely gone. So we gotta replace that. Yes, sir. Alright, YouTube. We back. Heading to get this damn trailer, man. Shit. They say the shipper mad at me. Shipper and receiver mad at me. They said if I can't be here by 4:30, that I'm fucked. So let me hook up to this motherfucking trailer real quick, man, and I'll get back to y'all. All right. That wasn't too bad, man. Shit, I got my paperwork, got the seal. I think it's like 5,000 pounds. Got the truck taken care of. Got loaded. Now they mad, but I don't know what the fuck this shit is right here. What the fuck did they add on to this shit? This shit is more than 5,000 now. God damn.